Alright, I'm still working on the front suspension on 124 scale Chevrolet Nova drag car. This here happens to be the front suspension. What you're looking at right here, I've just done one side right now. We got a gap opening between this point over here and this point over here of 3/100ths of an inch. So I cut some steel tubing. That's 31/100ths of an inch, right? And I just barely pushed it in there with my finger. And then this servo, this old screw right here, used to hold together a top to the bottom of a servo. I'm going to use that as my fulcrum or pivot point. That's going to be screwed into a bulkhead right here, and that's going to work for my front suspension, although it doesn't quite look like it yet. It's getting there. You got to do one piece at a time. So the whole purpose of this steel tube is to stop these two little pieces from collapsing in on each other when you start to tighten down the screw. This was lower A-arms out of a K989. I trimmed off the ends, flattened it, and re-drilled some holes where my spindle is going to mount. One side I managed to do a little bit better than the other side, but it should be good enough.